Evercoat's Z-Grip OPTEX filler is an advanced, clog-free, lightweight body filler with patented color-change OPTEX technology. Z-Grip OPTEX applies pink and when properly catalyzed, dries green to indicate that it is ready to sand. Z-Grip OPTEX is part of the METALWORKS System that guarantees the repair to maintain the O.E.M corrosion warranty. Plus, Z-Grip features easy sanding and smooth spreading properties, making your filler application a breeze. For best results, apply a premium Evercoat polyester putty to provide a smoother finish. Then, the repair is ready for the prime and paint process. Experience the familiar Z-Grip quality you appreciate, now with color-changing technology. Remember, when it comes to OPTEX, green means go.